December, and that means you might want to be looking into some gifts for family or friends. So here are some less known Apple gifts you might want to look at. First, we have MagSafe Accessories. These work on the iPhone 12 and later, but not including the iPhone SE 2nd or 3rd generation. You can get a MagSafe wallet. This is a place to store your card or anything else that you might need to have with you. It's also made from a fine woven material that connects to the back of your phone. Or you could get a MagSafe wireless charging cable. This will connect to the back of your phone to charge the device, and if you need to plug it in, it will magnetically connect to the back of your device, so when you need to reply to a message quickly, you can just grab your phone and the charger will stay attached. It is also easier to connect as you just place your phone on the charger. Apple AirTags are another great idea for when you lose things. We've all left something behind like a key or a bag, but you can get a single pack or a 4-pack of AirTags to link to your phone, and then you can connect them to something like a key or a bag. Then if you lose it, the AirTag can be found using the Find My app on the connected phone. Another Apple product people often forget are Beats. They're cheaper than AirPods and have the Apple processors inside. The new Beats Studio Pro are even $200 cheaper than the AirPods Max, while claiming that they have similar features. However, it does seem to lack the call quality when compared to the AirPods Max. For anyone going travelling in 2024, you might want to consider the new Travel Adapter Kit. This is a collection of travel adapters for different countries. These are North America, Japan, China, United Kingdom, Continental Europe, Korea, Australia, Hong Kong and Brazil. These work with an iPod, iPhone, iPad or MacBook, but it doesn't include the charger, so it's worth considering that they may cost extra on top of the price of the travel adapters. It works with the USB-C adapters, MagSafe, MagSafe 2 power adapters for MacBook, and the 10W and 12W USB power adapters, along with the portable adapters. If you're still unsure what to get, Apple also sell gift cards. These can be anywhere from $10 to $2,000 and can be emailed or mailed to a recipient. You can even include a custom message with your gift card and choose a design. I'll include a link to Apple's website if you want to find any more out about these products if you're interested in them.